Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside Slides. Google.com, sign in and click plus blank or pick a template to launch a new deck. Once done, rename the file in the top left so it auto-saves under a clear title. This keeps versions organized. Make sure to set sharing immediately if others will edit. Pick Editor or Viewer. You're starting in the only place that guarantees live collaboration and autosave in Google's format, so this step prevents later import issues and keeps the workflow native and fast. Now you assemble content slide by slide. Choose layout to enforce a consistent master and avoid manual resizing later. Once a layout is set, insert text boxes, images, shapes, or tables where needed, and use guides to align elements precisely. Also apply a theme and customize colors so every slide shares the same visual language. When you drag placeholders, Google keeps spacing consistent, which speeds editing and ensures accessibility. This method saves time versus manual adjustments on each slide. Finish by reviewing slide order, speaker notes, and accessibility labels so your delivery is clear. Then click Present or File Publish to web depending on your audience. Make sure to test links and embedded media. If a video or font fails, re-add it from the original source inside Google Slides rather than importing a new file. If formatting breaks after edits, use version history to restore a previous state or reapply the master layout. This is the fastest recovery with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.